Hello guys, this is Noe again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make money with VigLink. All you have to do is just copy the links and start sharing them on Facebook, Twitter, whatever account you have with Instagram, whatever you like, wherever you like to, on your own website or something. Okay, but anyway, let's get started real quick before I run out of time. Okay, you just click into your Google account. Once you're in there, go to your right hand side right here, this little corner, and click right there. Once you click on it, you go down to Blogger. Okay, you got Blogger there, and Blogger, you make blogs, and you put the link there of the stores that you want to use to promote. Okay, with a big link. Okay, let me see. Let's try right here. Um, let's go make a new blog right there. Okay, let's name it. Let's go shopping. Let's say let's. Oops, back. Let's go shopping. Okay, there it is. That's the title. Okay, let's try that. See if they have a available domain for it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go shopping. See what happens. Check in. Sorry, this blog address is not available. It's not available. Okay, let's go shopping in my blog. Let's try that. Okay, let's. Okay, let's go shopping in my blog. That's good. Let's see if that's available. Second address. Okay, this address, this blog address is available. Okay, that's good. So now we gotta look for the theme to that we could use to promote as a landing page. So let's try this one. Okay, create a blog. Okay, now let's go shopping. Create successfully. Okay, so Blogger, you use Blogger to promote other products. Okay, let's go shopping. Search, find a domain for your blog. Nah, no thanks. Okay, so now a new post. Let me see. Oh shucks. Okay, post title. Let's go shopping. There it is. Let's go shopping. Okay, let's center this. That way, we'll start with big bold letters. Okay. Um, There you go. We'll click right here, so we can center this little line right here. We'll center it once we click this. See, there it is. Okay, now we'll click on this front size, and we'll go to large. There it is. Okay, now let's go chopping again. Or chop with me. Let's see. There it is. Okay, so we'll go down. We'll go another one because I'm gonna add okay. Let me add the link from VigLink into this blog. That way we could start uh, putting everything we put it will go everything we promote it will go directly to a big link, so we could get paid. hmm Okay, so let me go back right here. Let's go back on this little corner. Once you have this set up, let's go back. Okay, and we'll go to layout. So you're gonna go down, scroll down, and where it says footer one, add a gadget. So we'll go to VigLink. Okay, VigLink. Uh, VigLink is the company. once you subscribe with it, I'll leave you a link where you can subscribe with it too. Um, you have merchants, trends. Let's look at merchants very quick so you could know what it's all about. Okay, see here are all the sites that you could promote. Anything from in here. Uh, there's a lot of H&R Blacks. There's a lot of things you could promote, or you could look for them in Nike, Northman, uh, Roselle. There's a bunch. There's Walmart. Just let's click on Walmart, see what it has. I already have some pictures already from Walmart, so I'm just gonna put something on my blog about Walmart. Come on, big link. You're taking too long. It's probably my internet's kind of slow. Oh man, sucks. I don't know why it's taking so long. Well, anyway, let's go back and do that. Then we'll come back in a little bit to Amazon. Let's go to install. Okay, once you're installed right here, we're gonna copy this script right here. Um, there it is. Copy, and we'll go back into Blogger. Uh, okay, now we're gonna add a gadget. Okay, so we go to HTML JavaScript. We click on it. Okay, let's name this big link JavaScript. Big link. What's I going to call it? Okay, JavaScript. Okay, so that's what we're gonna name it. Okay, now down here we're gonna add that link that we copied. We're gonna paste it right here, and there it is. Okay, we're gonna save it. Okay, so it's already saved here. So let's go back into Blogger one more time. Oh, taking you so long. Okay, there you are. Yeah, let's go into your blog. There it is. Okay. See, I don't have much on it right now, but what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna start putting. I'm gonna check it see if it was successfully uh, linked into a big link. So I'll copy my URL right there. We'll copy and we'll go back to big link and we'll paste it right here just to check and see if it's working. Check. Okay. See, it says here you have uh, installed your code correctly. So so now we got it into we got the system into our blogger. Okay. So now we're gonna go to uh, let's go. Oh shucks. Hold on. Let's go chopping again. Go to post and let's see. We're gonna add it now. Okay, here we are. I'm just gonna add a couple of pictures real quick so you can see how I add them. Let's go right here. Okay, I'm gonna choose from a file. Okay, I already have some from Walmart or let me see. Let me see. What do I have here? Well, let's try this. Let's bring open. Okay, it's pretty much face up there most. No, okay. Let's just add selection. Okay, now we're gonna make it a little bit bigger. There it is. Let me get extra large. Okay. Let me add another picture in there so you can know what I'm talking about. Let's choose from file. I already have some. Let's say click here for details. Yeah, we'll click that one and uh, put that one on there. Okay, select item. There it is. Add selected. Okay, it came up on here. It's all right. Uh, Let me add it a little bit bigger, extra large. Okay, there it is. Now, what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to add a link to it, to this here. So I will go back into VigLink one more time, and let's go to merchants right here, and let's try to go to Walmart one more time. Okay, let's go to Walmart.com. See what happens. Okay, so let's see. Now let's go to Walmart.com right here, and we'll click on it. Oh, it's loading, it's taking forever to load. Okay, there it goes. Okay, see now we're inside a Walmart department website. You could shop anything you want from Walmart here. So now what I'll do, I'll just copy this URL. I'll copy it. Boom. Okay, now I have it. I'll go back to affiliate program, and we'll go anywhere. Once we're anywhere, there it goes. Running out of time. Let me do this real quick, real quick. I'll get the URL right here, paste, and build. Okay, turn. Oh, no, no, no. Let's turn URL and build. Okay, there it is. We've got it real small now. So I'll copy this, copy link address, and we'll go back to Blogger. Let's go shopping, and we'll click this link right here. Oh, shucks. Uh-oh. Click the link, URL, and paste. Okay. Okay. Now we got the URL here. Let's publish this. I'm gonna publish it. Oh no no. Oh no 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 no. We're going with something that went wrong. Cancel. We're gonna update it. Sorry. Okay. Let's try it. The blog. Okay. Now see, this is the main how I was telling you. You could add more pictures, write whatever you want, but once they click here, it'll take them directly into Walmart. See? There it is. Now anything they buy from here, you get a commission out of it. Once you promote Walmart on your website, blogger, or whatever. Um, I'm gonna write down the description of the URL for a big link. That way you can start making it possible. Let me go back to Blogger, and there it is. Your blog. There it is. So now you know that you could even put the link on this picture too. Okay. If you like my video, go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay. Because I'm running out of time already. I only had 15 minutes to do this video, and so thank you very much. And if you have any questions, let's write down there in the comments, and I'll answer as soon as possible. Thank you.